Hi, this is MOUNIKA, working as assistant professor in MLRITM. Today we are going to discuss a topic declaring variables in web technologies. So, what are the course outcomes? After we get to know about this topic and the web technologies, we come to get over these outcomes. Those are server-side scripting language. We will able to understand XML and we will able to do server-side programming with Java servlets, and we can also do server-side programming with JSP and also client programming. So these are the course outcomes after we are going to learn this technology. Coming to syllabus, first unit syllabus, we have already discussed about introduction to PHP. Now we are going to discuss about declaring variables. Let's see, what is variable. Variables are container for storing information. Variables are containers, means we can have a small short names like x, y, z, and also in a string format. Variables can have a short name like x and y, or a more descriptive way, names like age, car name, total salary, total value, like that. So coming to next, what are the rules for PHP variables? We have variables. For that, what are the rules? Let's go. Here variable starts with a dollar sign followed by the name of the variable. Next, variable starts with a letter or underscore character, and variables can't starts with a number. No to numbers. Okay, variables can also contain alphanumeric characters, that is from A to Z and 0 to 9. Variables are case sensitive, that is dollar small age is different with dollar capital H. Because variables are case sensitive, so it is considered them as a two different variables here, because where PHP variable names are case sensitive. Next, let's see what is the creation or declaration of PHP variable with an example. After writing the PHP syntax, open syntax, now we are declaring here dollar text equal to hello world. Yes, hello world. Okay, and after that we are declaring dollar x. Here dollar x is also variable and dollar y is also variable. Here dollar x has a 5 and dollar y has a 10.5. Now let's see the output for that. So here it is a variable displaying variables, right? So whatever the variables we have given here, it will be displayed as a output like hello world, 5 and 10.5, because here variables starts with a dollar sign. Here each and every variable here is started with the dollar sign, so that's why it is considered as a variable, and output of the variable is seen in output. After the execution of the above statement, dollar text will hold the value of hello world and dollar x will hold the value of 5, and dollar y will hold the value of 10.5. Note, when you assign a text value to a variable, put quotes around the value because it tells that it is a string format. Think of a variables are containers for storing data. Let's see what are the output variables. See, PHP echo statement is often used to as a output variable to the screen. Now before we are creating a variables, first after creating a variables, we want to display output on the screen. So to display output on the screen, we are using this echo statement. Let's see with an example. After opening the PHP code, here we are declaring some variable. That variable dollar text is holding w3schools.com. Next, echo is for we want to display that output to the screen. So echo I love dollar text. Here already we have declared this dollar text as this w3 school. Let's see how the output will comes. In output it will give us I love w3 schools.com. Yes, clear. See, I love is the same. Echo is used to print the statement. So after I love, we are giving a dollar text. So before only we have declared this dollar text as a variable with some string. So totally we have got the result as I love w3schools.com. Clear with creation of variables and output variables? Okay. Let's see with one more example, that is sum of two variables. After opening the PHP code, we are declaring $x equal to 5 and $y equal to 4. Let's see how the output will come. To print the output, we are going to use echo. So in echo, we should declare them as $x plus $y. After that, $x plus y means 5 plus 4, that is 9. Yes, we got the result as 9. Yes. One more text, the same previous example we have written is this. I love W3 schools. Clear? Next, PHP is a loosely typed language. Okay, let's see why PHP is called as loosely typed language. Because from above example, we have noticed that we did not tell that PHP that the data type of a variable. What is the data type of the variable? We did not mention anywhere, because PHP automatically converts the variables to the correct data type depending on its value. Depending on its value, PHP automatically corrects the value of variable. So that's why it is called as a loosely typed language. In other languages such as C, C++, Java programming, we have must and we should declare variables data types. That is, it may be of a string type and integer, float, double. We have to declare. Here in PHP, no need of declaring a data type. It automatically knows the data type. So next, what is a PHP variables? How many types are there? What are types, scopes? Next, we'll see that. In PHP, variables can be declared anywhere in the script. We can declare anywhere in the script. So, the scope of variable is part of a variable or part of a script where variables can be referred. What is the scope of variable? Means whenever we declare any variable in the code, we can refer it by any time. Now, let's see how many types of variable scopes are there. There are three different types of variable scope. That is, first one is local and second one is global and third one is static. Now, let's see what is local scope. Coming to local scope means we are declaring a variable in a local function. That is, that only can be accessed within that function. A variable declared within a function has a local scope and can only be accessed within function. Here, the local scope is nothing but the function, the variable is declared within the function. So, we can recall within that function only. Let's see how with an example. See, after opening this PHP, we are creating some function with the name my text. We have opened some function. Within that function, we are declaring a variable. That variable is $x equal to 5. Yes, here we are declaring $x equal to y. Here $x equal to y is nothing but local scope, because it is declared within the function. Next, after that, we are declaring echo p, where variable x inside the function is $x. We want to print the value of that variable. Next, after that, we are closing this. We are closing this my text function. After that, also we want to print the value of x. Let's see if it comes errors or it will print. But maximum, if we declare the variable outside the function, it will generate an error, because here the variable is considered as a local scope. So if we declare that local variable within the function only, it will execute. If you declare that variable outside the function, it will not execute. It will just give us some error or empty. Let's see now output. Here, these are comments. Yes. In PHP, we use comments with the slashes. So it won't be executed. It is just for the user to understand what is that next line. So here coming to the variable C. Here variable x inside the function is 5 because we have declared a $x. Yes, $x variable. $x variable is 5 as we declared on function call here. So it is printed because that variable is within the function. Within what function? My text function it is within. Now coming to here, variable x outside the function is no, nothing, because we have declared this and outside the function. If we declared outside the function, we declared a variable outside the function, then it gives error. So that's why it doesn't give any value for x. It gives it given as empty. Next we go for global scope. What is global scope? A variable declared outside function has a global scope and can only be accessed outside a function. Previously, it is a local scope, right? Local scope means within a function, if we are declaring a variable, then we can access it. Here coming to global, then if function variable is declared outside the function as a globally, then we can access that function, access that variable. With example, well, let's see. After opening PHP, we are declaring $x is equal to 5 as a global scope. Then next, we are now opening the function. Function is here my text. In my text, we want to print the variable name, variable value. That is variable x inside the function is $x. We want to print this $x value. After that, we are closing this function. And also we want also check whether it works outside the function also. So we are writing again the print statement. Echo statement, variable x outside the function is $x. Let's check how this program works. Here after coming here, it will read as a $x as a global, and after closing function here, it will take as echo variable x inside a. But here this echo statement is declared inside the function. Yes, inside the function it is declared, that is function. This variable x is declared within inside the function, so it won't execute. It just gives output as variable x inside function is, that's all, nothing. After that, after closing the function, we went to here. After closing the function also, we have declared echo, right? Let's see. Variable x outside the function is x. Here it will take the value of x as a 5 because we have declared $x equal to 5 and it is globally declared, means it will be executed or accessed outside the function. So that's why here the output will be variable x outside is 5 and first one is empty because it is within the function. Clear with global scope? Next, PHP, the global keyword. Let's see. The PHP, the global keyword is used to access the global variable from within a function. Within a function, we can access this PHP global variables. To do this, the global keywords before the variables. To use these global keywords before the variables, then see with an example. After opening PHP, we are declaring two variables, that is x and y, with the values of 5 and 10. After that, we are opening some function. In that, we are declaring this global as a keyword. So what is this, the global as a keyword? We are directly want to declare that before variables to keep as a global. That is global $x, $y. Yes. Now we want to print the $y value. So $y equal to $x plus $y. Let's see how the output of y will come. After that, we are going to close the function. Now we want to print this echo $y. Yes. See, output is 15. How we will discuss here. We are declaring here, opening the function, then we are declaring here globally xy. We have given the value outside the function, But from inside, when we enter into the function inside, we are declaring it as a global. So it will take the values of x and y. Here then 5 plus 10, this line 5 plus 10 equal to 15. $y here will hold the value of 15. After holding that, it will print to the screen, that is $x. Next, PHP also stores all global variables in an array. So here they can also store all the global variables in an array format. Array, $array, index. Here in arrays, we call every element with the index value. The index holds the name of the variable. What it holds? It holds the name of the variable. This array is also accessed from within the function and can be used to update global variables directly. It can update global variables directly. It is also declared within the statement, within the function. So the example above can be written as, here the main thing is PHP can also store the global variables in an array format called $global index name. Index name is nothing but name of the variable. Coming to example, we are declaring the PHP syntax and we are declaring two values, that is $x and $y, 5 and 10 values. We are opening the function call, then we here declared as a $globals y. We want to print the y value. So we are declaring it as global with using global keyword. Global y equal to global x plus global y. Why we are declaring here dollar? Means it is considered as a variable. Variables are always starts with a dollar symbol. Yes, $global x plus $global y. After that, we are going to close the function and we want to print this y value. So we have written echo $y. See, let's see the output. Because here 5 and 10 are declared and here x and y also we have declared the global keyword. So it automatically takes the values of x and y. That is 5 and 10. 5 plus 10 is 15. So that's got, we got the result as 15. Yes. Clear with the global keywords. Next, the PHP static keyword. We have clear discussion about local and global. Now the third one is static keyword. Normally, when a function is completed or executed, all the variables are executed. All the variables are, deleted. Normally, when a function is completed or executed, all of its variables are deleted. Yes, deleted. However, sometimes we want to reuse these local variables, that should not be deleted. We want a local variable not to be deleted because we want to use it as a further job in our further job. To do this, the static keyword, when you first declare the variable, use static keyword when you first declare the variables. Here in global and static, we are directly declaring as it is a global variables, and here in global keyword also we are declaring as a global before the value of variable, like a global x, global y, like that. Here also we have to use this static keyword before the variable, like static x, static $x, static $y, like that. Okay. Next, then each time the function is called, the variable will still have the information it contained from the last time the function have called. So each time when the system is called, the variable will still have the value of a previous information also. Coming to example, here we are opening the file and here we are declaring the value of x as a static 0 and we want to print the value. Then we are using echo $x and x plus plus. We want to increment the value. After that, we are closing first my text, one function as my text. 3 functions we are declaring. That means 3 times it will be repeated. That is, first how the result will come, let's going to explain. From here it will read that function, read the value as a 0. First, it will print $x value as 0. Yes, because he given echo x. So first it will print the value of x. Then again place. Yes, again the function is recalled. It will again go after 0. It place means it will become $1. Then it will again print echo statement. Then it will print $1. After $1 here, it become place $1 place. Then again the function call is called. Again it will go back to the call. Here now the x value equal to 1. After that x value 1, here it will increment 1 placement. So now the x value will become 2. Here then after that it is echo statement, right? $x. That is $x equal to 2. That we will display. We are recalling the function call. Here what we have tell, each time the function is called, the variable is still have the information it contains from the last time. When we are trying to recall here each and every time the function, this function is storing the last time variable value. That is, here it is storing the 0, here it is storing the 1, here it is storing the 2. Like that each time the variable is storing the information from the last time. Note, the variable is still local to the function. Now coming to PHP echo and print statements. Let's see what is the function of echo statement and print statements and what is the difference between them. PHP echo statement. So in PHP there are two ways to get the output. That is using echo and print. So this echo and print are more or less the same way. They are both used to output data to the screen. They will give both outputs only to the screen, display outputs only. But let's see a small difference it has. Echo has no return value while print has return value as 1. So it can be used in expressions also. The small difference is echo has no value, so that is no return value, while print has a return value as 1. So it can be also used in expressions. Echo can take multiple parameters, although usage is rare, while print can rare take one argument. Echo can take multiple parameters while print can only take one argument. Echo is marginally faster than the print. Coming to here, the echo statement can be used with or without the parenthesis. That is, we can write it as echo or echo with parenthesis. We can display text and display variables also. So echo is nothing but it is used to print the statement. It has a no return value, while print has a return value as a 1. And echo we can use it with or without parenthesis. We can display text and also variables. The following examples show how to output text with the echo command. Let's see. Note here, PHP, we have declaring the PHP script because we are writing the PHP script. Here echo we are declaring here h2. This is heading tag, and also echo simple hello. Br is nothing but next line or new line. Next echo I am about to learn PHP. Here we are declaring double quotes. Double quotes is nothing but we are specifying it as a string. Echo, this string was made with the multiple parentheses, and at last we are going to close. Now let's see how this different outputs is given by using echo. See, first it will read to PHP. It will give in some bold format. PHP is fun because this is H2. Yes. Next it will give direct it as hello world. Next, I am learning about, because it is all written in a echo statement. Echo statement, whatever the statements or what are the values we give in echo, it will display. Last one is this string was made with multiple parameters. So last one is output. Yes, clear with this echo. Now, displaying variables. How will display? The following examples show how to output text and variables with the echo statement. Here we are declaring $text1 and $text2, $x and y. In echo, we want to display the $x. And in second echo, study PHP at $text. So $text is we declared it as W3 schools. Now we want to combine this $x and y. $x and y we have given it as 5 plus 4. 4. So 5 plus 4. Now let's see what is output. First statement, it will come to here and it will print as what we have given in echo first, $text. So $text is nothing but learn PHP. Then echo statement, if we go, it has study PHP at what we have given $text2. Text2 what it has at w3schools.com. Yes. After that, what statement it has? Echo x plus y, that is 5 plus 4, that is 9. Clear? Got the same result? Next. Now clear with the echo statement. Let's go to print statement. The PHP print statement. PHP print statements can be also used with or without parentheses. That may be print or print. And it is used to display text. The following examples show how to output text using print command. Notice that the text can contain HTML markup language also. After opening the PHP, it want to print the same message. Above example, we have taken the same for print to see the little difference. What is the difference between echo and print? Now, let's close the PHP tag. Then, let's see the output. Same, PHP is fun. With the heading 1, heading 2, it will give us PHP is fun. Next, hello world, it is given hello world. And I am about to learn PHP, I am about to learn PHP. The same output it has given. It will display the text. Displaying variables. The following examples show how to output text and variables with the print statement. Here we are declaring $x, $2, $x, $y, $text1, $text2. We have declared some integers. Here coming to print, we are declaring $x, $text. So $text what we have given? So learn PHP. Clear. Next, study PHP at $text what we have given $text W3 school down. So it got. Next $x plus $y. Print $x plus $y is nothing but 5 plus 4. Yes, 5 plus 4 we have get. So the same output we got. Yes. Let's see same output. PHP is fun and learn PHP output and above this. So there's nothing difference between echo and the print. There's a small difference, that is it can hold many parentheses, but a print statement can't hold many parentheses. Last, references. We have taken these books as a references to study. You can also take these reference books, note down, and you can study using these textbooks. Thank you.